Hello, Choice Farm. I'm here again with this delicious spinach soup. So, guys, this is how I made it. Yeah, this is me cutting my cow leg meat. You see this knife on my hand? The knife is so heavy. So heavy. Oh. So I'm cutting my cow leg and my bone. I will still be using a turkey. Yes, I already had my turkey, so this container is done. So this spinach soup is one of a kind. This is how I love my spinach. Go to cut the fish now. Throw away the head of fish. We don't eat head of fish. So just remove the bone that's in the body. Then cut. I was very careful so not to cut my hand, because this knife I've cut my hand before. Well, it was not that deep. It was just a little side of my fingernails. So I'm just trying to be careful so that history does not repeat itself. I'm seeing myself through the microwave. Ha ha ha. So time to wash. Wash them twice. It's my boiling water. So I had my curry, thyme, maggi, and onions. Yes. Forgot to add salt, but I later add salt. So it's my spinach. This is the spinach I'll be using. Because the spinach are frozen inside the fridge. And they are in cubes. They are cut in cubes. For me to cut like that. Some people cut it like this without cutting it, but no, I don't like it, and my kids don't like it. So cut it like this. So after cutting it, pour it into a bowl, wash it. After that, I bring out my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to cut there with tomatoes and onions with my fresh pepper. Then I'll just blend a little. It's my onions. I'm using these full onions. So just wash it. So I'm going to blend now. Just a little, not too smooth, not too smooth. Yes, here we are. I'm going to show you guys the finish up. Yeah, mom, it's okay. Choice is okay. Yeah, look at it. This is it. So time to fry my turkey. I'm not going to fry my pomo and cow leg. No, I don't like it. So this is how I love my turkey. Golden brown, just like this. This is so good. I love it. So I'm going to add the remaining one. Then I still have some fish left. So added my fish. After that, I added oil to my pan. After the oil have finished blushing, added my onions. Now time for the peppermints. Pepper them, pepper. So after that, I added one maggi and a little so sprinkle of salt. I added small curry, small thyme, because I don't like too much of Korean thyme. So after that, I'm going to add the spinach. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Let's go. So this spinach, I'll be eating it. So I had my mixed stock. That was my mixed stock. crayfish. Oh, this is the last part. You add crayfish the last part. Yeah, look at my momon and cow leg. So I added every meat together. Later on, I added fish so that the fish will not scatter inside the soup. So that when I'm eating it, I will not choke on bone. Food is ready. It's just simple. Spinach is not hard. It's too simple. So this is my rubber container. No, no, let me up what he said. I don't have that time. I beg. But yay! You win, you win, you win, you win, you win. I won, I won. So this is the finished look. How do I do, guys? Did you like my recipe of cooking? Please support me. I'm sorry. Thank you, guys. Bye. Short